All right. On today's episode of What's New in Genesis Now, we have a really cool feature that will create a suspense or prompt you to create a suspense when a policy status is made active. Okay, in order for this to work, we have to make sure that the feature's turned on in all locations. Let's go confirm that. Scroll down here, see auto suspense for new business. It is turned on. That's great. Going to go to my dashboard and let's hop into one of these clients. Okay, I have a policy here that has a pending quote status, so I'm going to check that one out. When I change the policy status to active and then save, do you want to enter a suspense for this newly active policy? Yes. And the suspense automatically is going to prompt you to follow up on new business. Save that suspense. Oops, need to choose a receiver. And you see the suspense is listed there. Follow up on new business. It'll also be listed on your suspense list. All right. Hope that was helpful. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. Thank you.